I'm Jason Stahl, and today I'm here with Tim McKinney from Evercoat. Tim, we're all familiar with the products that Evercoat has for the collision side, but I understand Evercoat also has products for the commercial repair user. How did that come about?
It actually came about from some research working with some of our customers in that particular field. We were running into some customers who were trying to use traditional body fillers for applications on the side of fire truck manufacturers, ambulance manufacturers, and train manufacturers. So one of our products was actually developed to meet their particular need. Their biggest challenge is always going to be time and temperature. Also, in addition to that, is independent processes. So when they were trying to radically under-catalyze the body fillers to give themselves the working time, they were creating issues on down the road. So one of our chemists that we were working with at the time said, I think I can do that with the new eco-resin technology, and incorporated a way to extend that working time out to as far as 40 minutes. So Rage Extra is a product that gives them 40 minutes working time at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, but up to about 110 minutes or almost 2 hours sanding time. So a lot more working time for a lot larger surface.
What are some of the biggest issues that commercial vehicle users have?
Oh wow, I'd have to say time, temperature, and inconsistent practices. For the larger vehicles, having to deal with the application of products for large surface areas, and then compounded by the higher temperatures, that makes it very difficult for large volume users to be able to apply large amount of products onto the surfaces of these commercial application vehicles.
And Tim, what kind of time do these products give the user?
Well, we actually have three products. We have Commercial Ultra, which has about 10 minutes working time at 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're able to sand it in roughly about 30 minutes. Now, we have a second version of that coming out called Commercial Optex, which is going to be having the same work time, around 10 minutes at 75 degrees, and sanding in roughly about 30 minutes, but it's also going to incorporate our color changing technology, part of the Optex line. So the end user is going to be able to mix it. It's going to be in a pink coloration. They're going to be able to apply it onto the vehicle, and it's going to make a color shift in about 30 minutes to let them know that it's going to be ready to sand. The next product we have beyond that is Rage Ultra Extra. We just call it Rage Extra. Rage Extra has a working time at 75 degrees of about 40 minutes, and you're able to sand it at about 110 minutes. Yeah, just shy of 2 hours. So you've got a lot of working time with that particular product. So we've got those three products now that help the end users to be able to have a lot longer working time. So a little bit more information about Rage Ultra Extra. Again, the Rage Extra for us is we actually developed that product to be used on trains. So we had customers that were trying to apply traditional body filler on the side of a train. Imagine trying to apply a body filler that's kicking off in roughly 3 minutes on the side of a train. So they were really having problems with that. So we came up with that particular product to meet that need for them to be able to apply on large applications. So again, at 75 degrees, you're getting about 40 minutes working time, which is a great deal of working time if you're trying to apply on a really large surface. The other benefit for Rage Ultra Extra is the fact that you're actually able to incorporate that into some other products to slow the products down as an extender. So we've actually made it in a smaller package in a 16-ounce pouch, which can be added into regular body fillers to slow it down a little bit. But for the traditional application for commercial users, they may find out that 40 minutes working time may necessarily be a little bit too much working time for them. So they could actually put a little bit of regular body filler into it to speed it up a little bit if they needed to.
So Tim, after a commercial user finishes the repair with any of those three products, what do they do next?
Well, after they've sanded it to contour and they've taken it down to a 180 grit sand scratch, then they can come back with either of our 4-to-1 polyester primers. We have regular Super Build 4-to-1, and now we also have the option to incorporate the Optic Super Build 4-to-1.
For those who are not familiar with Evercoat Primers, can you explain a little bit about these two primers you were just talking about?
Sure. Traditional polyester primers have always been mixed at a 50-to-1 ratio. What we've done with these two primers is we've made them both be available in a 4-to-1 mix ratio. Our original Super Build is actually mixed at a 4-to-1 ratio. Traditional polyester primers had been mixed at a 50-to-1, so it was very difficult for them to mix. With it being mixed at a 4-to-1, it's much easier, simpler to mix. We also incorporated a direct-to-metal property of the product, so it can go directly onto bare metal. It meets the ASTM B117 standard testing methodology for 500 hours of salt spray corrosion protection. Now the newer version of that, Optic Super Build, has all of those same features, but what we've done with that one is we've incorporated a guide coat into the formulation. So when you open the can, it's going to look pink, it's going to spray pink, and it's going to stay pink. So as you're sanding on the repair, the pink is a sacrificial guide coat. Once you sand off the pink and you're going to expose the gray, what you'll see is the high spots are going to sand to gray faster. The low spots are going to remain pink. So an end user is going to be able to see the highs and the low spots with the product applied as it is. Actually, we have a video that shows the process and how it works.
Awesome, let's take a look at it.
Can a primer help increase productivity and save BodyShop's money? Optex SuperBuild 4-to-1 Primer with built-in guide coat technology is a full-featured polyester primer that's formulated to do just that. Optex SuperBuild Primer sprays on pink and sands to gray, easily identifying high and low spots and deep straight line scratches on the repaired surface without messy guide coats and the time to apply them, saving BodyShops up to 33% in time and materials on the guide coat process. Its high build formula sprays up to 6 to 8 mils per coat with very easy sanding and produces a low shrink surface for the next step in the repair process. Optex SuperBuild Primer can be applied direct to bare metal, eliminating the need for an epoxy or self-etch primer. Plus, it adheres to a wide range of properly sanded and cleaned substrates, including aluminum, bare metal, body filler or putty, fiberglass, SMC, and rigid plastics. Optex SuperBuild Primer is part of Evercoat's family of polyester primers with an easy 4-to-1 mixing ratio that provides easy, accurate mixing without a scale. They also pass the 500-hour salt spray tests per ASTM B117 and are compatible with waterborne paint systems. Contact your Evercoat jobber for more information or visit evercoat.com.
So Tim, what else would you want our audience to know about these innovative Evercoat products?
Well, back when we were talking about, a lot of people know about our products in the collision side and the body shops, but we wanted to let our commercial and fleet customers know that we're expanding into those ranges of products to allow them to have more working time for higher temperatures and be able to meet their needs. We're also working with our customers to create standard operating procedures to help maximize their time and energy. So they're going to be able to create repairs smoother, easier, faster, saving time and money.
Tim, that was great information. I really learned a lot about Evercoat's commercial products and how they help commercial users. Thanks again for being here.
Well, Jason, thanks. Great to be here again as always. Thank you.
I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.